Welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how you can enter the pairing mode on your Beats Fit Pro. Okay, so first of all you have to input both earbuds inside, and then you have to use this button to move them to the pairing mode. So you have to click and hold this button until this indicator starts blinking like that. When it's blinking, you can release that button. And next, when you open the pairing option on our phone, on the iPhone or Android, you will find out that your device will pop right here on the screen. So just be patient and wait a little bit. We just have to wait until it pops right here. As you can see right now, they appears on the pairing mode, so right now we can pair them. And that's how it looks. If you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe.